Hi, my name is Chaundra Patterson. I'm from Cibolo, Texas. Life before Preschool All-Star was me thinking about whether I really wanted to pursue starting my own preschool or starting a school period after I'd spent so much time helping others build their schools. I also was thinking about getting back into my job as a lab scientist, but I realized with COVID-19 that wasn't possible. So what led me to Preschool All-Star was going through my Facebook page and seeing the Start Your Own Preschool book that Joy was offering for free. And so I decided to order the book, and then I jumped into the 7-day challenge. Once I got involved in the 7-day challenge, when I got to day 4 and realized it was time to post the Founding Family script, and I actually got a response, and I was grateful because the responses that I got were actually students of mine some years previously in my 35 years of education, and they wanted me to teach their preschoolers. And that was when I realized I still had the opportunity to have my own preschool and to help change a generation, to create new citizens for the world. And that's always been my desire, to just see kids light up when they learn something new. And so in that process, Preschool All-Star has helped me to regain that confidence and also to give me guidance in how to work through the process, because that's where I tend to struggle with trying to figure out, okay, what do I do next? How do I even get the foundation of the business established? Bank accounts and receiving payment. With everything changing with COVID-19, we're in a time when everything is different now. And so learning how to readjust to that. So in the process of becoming a member of Preschool All-Star, I've had the opportunity to get the guidance of Joy through the step-by-step process that she's provided. She takes you from the beginning to you actually having a full operating preschool, whether it's a local location outside of your home or in your home, or if you want to be online, and I'm so grateful for it. She helped show you how to establish your bank account, how to establish your EIN number, how to do your DBA, your LLC. Then she walked you through the steps to build your website, to build your Facebook page. She gives you every single thing that you need, and she provides the marketing skills and the actual paperwork, or should I say the online information that you can download to create your own registration form. She takes you from beginning to end. So what I would say to the person who is considering starting their own preschool, go for it. Take the leap. It's well worth it. You can feel her heart. She shares with you her struggles and how important this is to her. It's a true gift that God has blessed her with to help so many people. So I would say, put aside all the fear, all the worry, all the obstacles that you think will come about or has come about. Still push forward and go for it. Do it because it's possible. Because just think about everything in life. There's always going to be some opposition in life that you must overcome. If not, you'll succumb to it. So don't do that. Move forward. So God bless, enjoy, and may you have a blessed school as you establish it according to the way that it's placed in your heart. Thank you.
If you'd like to have a success story just like that one, I invite you to join our Preschool All-Stars. It's my exclusive membership community where you'll get mentorship from me with weekly Q&A lives, support and guidance and friendship from hundreds of women on the exact same journey as you, starting, running, and growing their preschools, and my exclusive access to Preschool University, every training and done-for-you file that you'll need for every milestone on your journey to help you start, run, and grow your preschool. We've all been there, and we've got the exact same steps that you need to go through, but we do it all very quickly so that you don't have to waste time or money doing the wrong things at the wrong time. We'd love for you to join our Preschool All-Stars membership. Just go to preschoolallstars.com or click the link in the description to immediately jump into Preschool All-Stars. Again, go to preschoolallstars.com and we'll see you there.